Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikes. In today's video, I will show you how to print the English alphabet E. So let's see. First, I have to run a roof for raw in range. If my is 7, okay. With the help of this loop, I will able to control my raw value. Okay, and for and with the help of inner loop, I will able to manage all my column. Okay, so after that I have to provide my condition, and if my condition is true, then I have to print the star. But there is some condition, print star, and but I don't want to change the line, so I want just with in the place of changing the line, I just want to print a space. Okay, and and my else condition is simply and with a space. Okay, and after all this, I come out from my inner loop and simply print, means I change my line. So this is the format, and that now I will show you the logic. If curl is equal to 0, then let's see, I'm able to print all my column. And now I will show you, or row equal to 0, or row equal equal to 6, let's see. Okay, or row equal to 3, and um, call not equal to 4. Now see, it's look like a E. So the logic is, with the help of column value E is equal to 0 means I am able to print this row. Okay, it means this column, and I'll, and if the row is 0, okay, means this, and if row is 6 means this line, and row is equal to 3 means this line. To remove this star, I used call is not equal to 4, means this column not be included, means excluded. So thank you for watching this video. In next video, I will show you how to print the English alphabet F.